nutraMetrix really helped us develop a better dialogue with our community, with our patients, and with our health professional colleagues about the relevance of talking about lifestyle medicine on a regular basis with patients. I had kind of a colleague in my nutraMetrix consultant. I had someone that was willing to work with me to identify ways to help implement a wellness program into the practice successfully. It meant that I wasn't doing it alone. I was in business for myself, but not by myself. And that made a big change in how easy it was for us to implement. When we streamlined a program that was customized to what we were doing in the practice, we found that we were far more successful than we ever thought just by simply implementing a new supplement line into the practice would offer us. That was really important for growing our practice and then growing our identity.
I'd really like to encourage practitioners to seriously take a look at nutraMetrix Wellness Solutions and the entire support that they provide a practitioner as you begin to explore using lifestyle medicine and supplementation in practice, because they truly are a full-service company. They've had such a profound effect on my patients. My patients are so satisfied. They are so ecstatic that I have helped them find solutions that were easy to implement, that didn't break the bank, and allowed them to have more choice in their life.
I've been studying nutrition for a long time, and I really was very concerned about some of the binders and fillers in some of the other products. Even though they were great products, I was just concerned were they being absorbed. And so when I switched to nutraMetrix, I just found that my clients really could feel the difference right away. And I wasn't experiencing that with other lines. Things work better and work faster if other systems in their bodies are getting the nutrients that they need. So people are happier, they're really making an effort to get to me, and the results pretty much speak for themselves.
I think nutraMetrix has the research that I'm looking for. It also has the product delivery method that I like. I really find powders and the isotonic capabilities to be brilliant. I've been looking for a product line to fit into my practice for years. I've tried several different professional product brands, but it's the business structure of nutraMetrix that really allows me to streamline my recommendations to my patients.
I'm still learning as I'm now 6 years into my practice, and so it's very helpful for me to be able to have support only a phone call away. And so that's imperative to me being able to offer this. Plus, both my wife, myself, and my partner, we have all started taking supplements. So it's not just that we've introduced it into our practice, we've introduced supplements into our own lifestyles. And so that's powerful, not just for us, but it's for our patients as well. It's very powerful when you're seeing a patient to say, you know what, I'm doing this for my own personal health. And so that's really helped shift the way I approach patients in terms of what are you doing to help prevent different risk factors. It's now giving me an opportunity to be able to talk about some of these issues, because if we're not and their primary care physician isn't, nobody is. This whole idea of integrative medicine, complementary and alternative treatments, including nutraMetrix, is slowly permeating through all aspects of our practice, because we're seeing how much more beneficial it is to get people thinking about prevention.